wake up next to you and start staring at the sun. Oh.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to be doing a makeup for Coachella. I want to do a neon pink, smoky eye, catching and statement makeup, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm first starting off with a lipstick by ColourPop in a hot pink color. I then go and blend it with the NYX Ultimate Palette in the brights and go in between a hot pink and a lighter matte pink. Because I'm working with a lipstick, I really want to make it a little bit natural, so you will see a lot of blending in my eyes. I then want to cut crease with just a tiny bit of concealer and dab it all around the first half of my eye. To create more depth, I'm going to go back with the first hot pink shade we used from the NYX Brights palette. And now I'm going to go in with I Love You So Mochi palette from NYX. And because it's a shimmery palette, we're going to be using it for that lid. And blending it along with the matte Brights palette. So I go between 3 different pinks and just blend it around my full lid. As well as using it for the brow bone and a little bit for the lower lash line. And inner corners of the eye to brighten it all up. I go back with the darkest pink from that Mochi palette to define the crease and define the lower lash line. I now want to go with a felt tip eyeliner just to exaggerate the full eye and make a very bold and long wing eyeliner. I now go in with my stick contour and contour the areas of interest and conceal anything that's got to be concealed. I stayed away from foundation just because you usually walk a lot and sweat a lot in Coachella, so you don't want all that makeup to be dripping into your clothes. I now go with the Sigma Nightlife collection by Camila Coelho liquid highlighter and highlight my nose, my cheekbones, and just to enhance it, I'm gonna do it twice. And the brow bone. I'm finally going to conceal right beneath my contour. And there we have the look. If you like videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I have some coming up this week. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one, guys.